Can I deduct expenses through an LLC? Yes. One of the biggest advantages of having an LLC is the ability to deduct business expenses. The IRS allows you to write off ordinary and necessary expenses related to running your business. This includes things like office rent, utilities, software subscriptions, marketing costs, travel, and even part of your home office if you qualify. Deducting expenses lowers your taxable income, which means you pay less in taxes. For example, if your LLC earns $80,000 in revenue, but you have $20,000 in deductible expenses, you only pay taxes on $60,000. The key is to keep clean records. Always separate personal and business finances, use a dedicated business bank account, and save receipts or invoices. This makes it easy to prove your deductions if the IRS ever asks. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC with tools to keep finances separate and organized, making tax deductions simpler. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.